Hello everyone, we are doing a weekly recap but we didn't do a weekly forecast last week, so this is the first forecast for the week ahead where we're gonna also go through what happened in the last week. Monthly candle is 10 days from closing. It created this week, didn't break the previous monthly low, now it's retracing. We need very strong momentum to come up and flip. But GBP doesn't seem so good, pound, so I'm not sure if it's gonna flip this month or not. Weekly closed bullish, which is a very good sign, but didn't break the previous weekly candle high or low, so we cannot estimate anything based on this. We have this support on weekly. If we come next week, if we break here, we will retest this low, but then we have this rejection, so maybe next week we come here around, but I'm not sure if we have very strong. This doesn't show me a very strong momentum candle for the next week that is coming to do something huge. Daily we came back, we break these lows, we formed a new low. While not breaking the high, we just make retracement, so up to this level we may see a push to create also a wick and then find resistance and come back down. This is a possible scenario because we made a new low on the daily, and then we just can come up 1, 2 candles, 3, 4, 5. So for the next 5 days we can see a whole retracement till here if bad decisions are gonna be taken by pound, by UK, because they have problems in economy, recessions, rate hikes, inflation, stuff like that. On the daily, on the 4-hour candle, we have this box here, which we have a resistance here. We need to break this, and then we have another one here, and then another one here, and then another one here, so this is full resistance, but if we break this level here, we might see a move till here, which we can possibly trade while being very cautious. Wait, let's see on the downside what can happen. On the downside we have the support. If we break this support, we can come up here, but we need to be very cautious because we also break in this candle and we just rejected it, and then we flipped, we came back inside the range, so we need a closure below to have more proper confirmation. On the 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour is more clean for this area here to mirror, and to come here we need just to break. We need also here to be cautious because we can see full rejection, this whole zone here. This is rejection zone, so price can reject at any point. We need to be very cautious about that. For sells, if we break below these level here, this support here and this rejection here, if we break here, we can easily come up to here or eventually test this support level that is being formed here, and then maybe we come and we retest the low on the daily that we were mentioning here. This low, we retest this whole low here. So yeah, it's tricky at the moment. We are in the range. Next week candle, we can try to draw it a bit. We can either see a candle like this, a green candle. We can anticipate this one to form if good data or if good decisions and good numbers, CPI numbers will come. If not, we can see a bearish candle like this, just retesting that area here, breaking this highs, faking people out for bullish, and then come back, retest on the daily candle this low that we made it, and break. As soon as we break its own low, we can then clearly go down here. Let's go to Forex Factory to check it, what we have on the calendar for the next week. We have AUD, NZD, Euro, GBP, Flash PMI, Manufacturing, Large services PMI, FOMC meeting we have next week, so yeah, it's gonna be an interesting week ahead. These two moves on Wednesday can create moves on GBP. So yeah, either this one, I see it, either this one or a bullish candle like this. Let's go to gold. What we see on gold. On gold we can see that this weekly closed bullish, monthly is 10 days, so we can reject at any point. We just came up. It's not looking, it's actually looking strong because break 2 previous weeks, but this area is very messy for gold and the economy. It's not very good, so gold to move up. So yeah, I'm personally waiting for the downside on gold. Weekly closed bearish, daily starting form resistance here. Now we have this whole clean traffic, and we basically just did 2 small retracement. We have hold this move down for retracement here, here. So I expect a bearish week for gold. On the 4 hour we need to break this level here. As soon as we break this level we can see that we have clean traffic here, so we need to be, hopefully if we get into the trade, we catch this traffic to trade this traffic. It doesn't move super fast, or when we're not in front of the charts. We need to put some alerts here. Let's do this. On the 1 hour gold formed support here, so there is a possibility that we will respect this support and then come back. Until FOMC we don't make any move to the downside, we just range until Wednesday or Thursday. When is FOMC? Is Wednesday, yeah. So this can be traded but waited to be broken, the support till FOMC, and yeah, tomorrow we can look for buys here, or we can wait for resistance to form to retest this low that we created. But yeah, that's about it about gold and GJ. We will see you guys on the Monday daily forecast. Tomorrow we're gonna do, when we wake up, we're gonna do a daily forecast, and then we're gonna see, and then at the end of the week we're gonna see how what we said this week and what happened during the week and what could have been. But if I would have to say something that I've seen a lot of time, is something like this, candle like this could possibly happen. If not, a smaller candle, or if the FOMC meeting is not that bad, we can see gold creating this support here, respecting that support that we have on the 4 hour this here, the support, and on the 1 hour we can expect that this here to be break, and then all week just a range here. In that case we may see a candle, a weekly candle like this, and then the next week, as soon as we break this green candle, we can then flip bearish. But I'm bearish for gold in general unless we break this high, because basically this is just a lower high that we created. We came back from here, we made this low, we never break this low, so this is the significant previous lower high. We need to break this level here in order for the trend to change, and this was basically just because of FOMC and some good data on the economy, but it's not something sustainable or something that changed the trend completely. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I see you guys next week.